in industry, construction, health and sport, in communications, research, in energy and in the environment. Today, it is impossible to imagine a world without engineering. From the nanoscale to large projects, from structural changes with intervals of centuries to the new concepts introduced at the speed of light. From challenges to solutions, it is everywhere. It is the key and the engine for change in knowledge, progress. On it depend reindustrialization, the economic and social development of the country and the world, the welfare of people, and the very evolution of mankind. Because of the size of the work and action of engineering, its social and environmental impact, its importance to safety and public welfare, competence, rigor and responsibility are imperative. This is the commitment of the Portuguese Engineers Association to guarantee engineering which is dynamic, of high quality, and one that serves people and the country. Engineering is closely linked to the very nature of man. Our need to transform the space around us in order to improve the quality of life. This has been a constant since earliest times. The great inventions that have shaped knowledge, the history of mankind, what we are today, and the planet we inhabit. At the core of evolution is engineering. But perhaps the biggest shift occurred after the late 18th century. Engineers played a key role in major social and economic changes in Europe and North America at this time. With the so-called Second Industrial Revolution came a revolution in communications. And this group of professionals reached unprecedented notoriety. In Portugal, there was a broadly felt ambition to modernize the country, which included an invitation to engineers. An invitation that was accepted in civil construction and public works, the building and development of transport and communication infrastructure, land recognition surveys, and the successive integration of engineers into the management of industries. The period of the First Republic in Portugal was marked by focus on education, in recognition of the need to modernize training and adapt it to the needs of changing. Professionalization and closer proximity to economic activity were other processes in this effort, embodied in the new schools of engineering. And so the new schools of engineering were born, open to new techniques and processes with new specialization, the crossroads of a broad range of sciences and technologies. The creation of the Portuguese Engineers Association on the 24th of November 1936 is another milestone in the consolidation of engineering as an essential activity to the progress of the country, always as a response to the challenges solicited by the post-war period, and always with the intention of building a better future. Engineering, like almost everything else in recent years, underwent a sudden acceleration that broke boundaries, broadened horizons, went global. A journey that is not always easy, but a growing one, with very strong impact on sustainable development and quality of life. Accompanying this trend hand in hand, the Portuguese Engineers Association, whose main mission is to contribute to the advancement of engineering, stimulating the efforts of its members in scientific, professional and social fields, as well as compliance with the rules of ethics and professional code. It is the only institution in Portugal that can attribute the professional title of engineer, granting titles and professional qualifications. The association defends the interests of the country before the demands of an ever more competitive and ever-changing world, and for this reason believes in demanding academic training. The cornerstone of a profession of public trust which promotes the welfare and safety of people and assets. Besides the formation and regulation of professional activity, the association has a fundamental concern with the employment of qualified engineers. And this includes the evolution of academic training in line with scientific advances and technological innovations, the standards of professional qualifications, and a policy of continuous training. This is in fact one of the priorities of the association, investing in training to promote the continuous renewal of knowledge, since the very nature of engineering requires constant evolution. In the coming years, engineering will continue to change and to make changes in the lives of all of us. Past, present and future. Essentially, engineering is the key to resolving most of the problems around us. On engineering depends sustainable development and meeting the needs of everyday life. And time, technology, modernity and technological innovation present new problems, fresh opportunities and further challenges. All major investment projects involve engineering. And here, Portuguese professionals can make a difference, already occupying a prime position in international rankings. In the future, this is also the firm intention of the Portuguese Engineers Association to act responsibly, with technical rigor, in an entrepreneurial and transversal way, with innovation, to ensure the common good through a continuous and consistent response to the challenges of the country, and for a more balanced world, with a better quality of life for everyone. Portuguese Engineers Association, for the development and quality of life.